Learn how to make a good old Nova Scotia lobster sandwich the same way my grandmother taught me 30 years ago. Out of all the ways that I've had lobster, this lobster sandwich is truly one of my favorites. So for the lobster sandwich, you can use whatever type of meat you want out of the lobster. I prefer the tail just because this is a little bit more tougher and it seems to go better in a lobster sandwich. So we're going to remove the tail by breaking it off. We're going to break it open. And if you want to know how to completely clean these lobsters and get maximum meat out, I will put a link to the video and I will also put it on the end screen. There's definitely a bit of a technique to get more meat than what you realize out of the lobster. So I'm going to devein this and take the roe out. One tail is usually enough for one sandwich. With the lobster sandwiches, I like to cut them up in small pieces, nice little bite size, so that way it's easier to eat in the sandwich. Okay, so we're going to take the lobster, put it in a bowl, and then we're going to a little bit of salt, pepper, give that a mix, and you just want enough almonds to moisten the lobster. That's 2 pieces of lightly toasted bread and just a light scuddy of butter. You can also use homemade bread, which is great. This is all I had available, which is very good too. There you have it, your Nova Scotia lobster sandwich. Very good. You can really taste the lobster because there isn't a lot else in it. So, great way to do a sandwich. Try it out and let me know. Have a good day.